Hi everyone, I am Sneha from BVS M4. Today I am trying to give a seminar on the topic of stock exchange. Uh, Before starting my seminar, I am thankful to Mrs. Bino Gupta ma'am who gave me a golden opportunity to give a seminar in front of you and also encouraging and helping me in this seminar. Let's start with the seminar. Contents: meaning of stock exchange, history of stock exchange in India, stock exchange in India today, how does the stock exchange work, who regulates the stock markets in India, stock market scams, then conclusion. Meaning of stock exchange: a stock exchange is an institution which provides a common platform for buying and selling the existing securities. Stock exchange means an organized market where securities like shares, bonds, debentures, etc., issued by companies and government organizations are sold and purchased. Then, next, history of stock exchange in India. Security trading in India goes back to the 18th century when the East India Company has began trading in loan securities, corporate shares, starting being traded in 1830s in Bombay, now Mumbai, with the stock of bank and cotton presses. The simple and informal beginning of stock exchange in India take one back to the 1850s when 22 stockbrokers began trading opposite the town hall of Bombay under a banyan tree. The tree still stands in the area which is known as Hominin Circle. The BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia and was the first to be granted permanent recognition under the Securities Contract Regulation Act of 1956. The BSE was followed by the Ahmedabad Stock Exchange in 1894, which focused on trading in shares of textile mills. The Calcutta Stock Exchange began operations in 1908 and began trading shares of plantation and jute mills. The Madras Stock Exchange followed, being set up in 1920. Stock Exchange in India today. In the post independence era, the BSE dominated the volume of trading. However, the low level of transparency and dependable clearing and financial market regulator and the SEBI was born in 1978 and as a non-statutory body. It was made of a statutory body in 1992. After the Harshad Mehta scam in 1992, there was a pressing need for another stock exchange large enough to compete with the BSE and bring transparency in stock market. This gave birth to in National Stock Exchange. It was incorporated in 1992, became recognized as a stock exchange in 1993, trading and began out of it 1994. In response to this competition, BSE also introduced an electronic trading system now as BSE Online Trading, which short form BOLT, in 1995. BSE and NSE are not yet only stock exchange in India. After the country independence, 23 stock exchange were added, not including the BSE. However, at present there are only 7 recognized stock exchanges. Apart from the BSE and NSE, there are Calcutta Stock Exchange, Magadh Stock Exchange Limited, Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India Limited, Indian International Exchange, NSE IFSC Limited. How does stock exchange work? There are two major stock exchange in India: Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. Types of share markets. There are two types of share markets: primary share market and secondary share market. Primary share market. The primary market is where securities are created. It is in this market that firms sell now new stocks and bonds to the public of the first time. An initial public offering or IPO is an example of primary market. Secondary share market. The actual trading of the company shares occurs in the secondary share market. After a company's share is listed on a stock exchange, investors can engage in trading, that is, sale or purchases, on process that are governed by market movements. Who regulates stock markets in India? Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI), constituted in 1992 under the SEBI Act, regulates and monitors stock markets in India along with the overall administrative control of stock markets, SEBI is slowly instituted with the role of conducting inspections and formulating rules of stock market. Who are stockbrokers? A stockbroker is a regulated broker, dealer, or registered investment advisor who may provide financial advisory and investment management service and execute transactions such and the purchase and sale of stock or other investment to financial markets participants in return for commission markup or a fee, which could be based on the flat rate percentage of asset or hourly rate. The team also refers to financial companies offering such services. How you can trade in stock market? A bull market occurs when the securities are on the rise, while a bear market occurs when securities fall or substantial period of time. It is important to understand the difference between bull and bear markets and how they impact on you investment trading. Scam stock market. The 1992 Indian stock market were market manipulation carried out by Harshad Shantilal Mehta with other bankers and participants on the Bombay Stock Exchange. The scam caused significant disruption on the stock market of India, defrauding investors of over 10 million USD. Conclusion. Stock market are places where stock and securities are electronic traded. The first step for investment in stock market should be to open a dem at account at trading account with a reliable financial partner. Thank you.